Here at Edficacy, you can complete our mini SAT mock test to identify what level you are working at and how to improve. This test will consist of 2 sections, and each section will have 10 questions. We're also given a time limit for each section. The amount of time you spend on each question will determine how much practice you need per topic. The topics that you spend less time on will require less practice. However, if you are stuck on a question, you can skip it by pressing the next button. Remember to read the question carefully to avoid any mistakes, for example, by making sure there are no necessary unit conversions in the question. Do keep in mind that these tests use multi-stage adaptive design, so the difficulty of Section 2 will depend on how you perform in Section 1. After the test is complete, you are given the option to go back over any question that you have skipped. After this section is finished, you can move on to the next one. In this section, you will have another 16 minutes to complete 10 questions. Remember, these tests help us see where you are in your learning and help us analyze where you need the most help. These questions cover a wide range of topics to help us identify your strengths and weaknesses. This will allow us to reduce your overall SAT preparation time. Some questions have a table of accepted formats besides it to allow the user to enter the correct type of information. This helps to reduce any errors on both ends. Always show your working out to help you identify where you've made a mistake. Most of the time, people often get questions wrong due to simple multiplication or subtraction errors. It is also very common for many people to get overwhelmed by a question if they see lots of words in it. But don't be alarmed, just stay calm and answer the question. Also, make sure you select the correct answer, as all the options given may seem quite similar to trip you up. Also remember, time management is key, so don't spend too long on one question, leaving not enough time to answer the rest. Also remember to double check your answers and go over any question you may have skipped. Once you are done, you can then press finish this section and then move on to see your report. This report will consist of your score out of 20 and your score out of 800. You can go through any question you have gotten wrong and then use the interactive solution guide to figure out how to answer the question. If you still don't understand, you can read more on the topic. This will provide more information to help you understand. Remember, the interactive solution guide breaks down the question into smaller questions, allowing you to answer the main question by the end of it. You can use the interactive solution guide for any question, not just the ones you've got wrong or skipped. Once you are done, you can scroll up and press the button Book Tutoring Slots to allow you to get any extra help that you require.